Hey football gamers, welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub. Today we're diving deep into EA Sports FC 26, the next big release in EA's legendary football franchise. After last year's massive rebrand from FIFA to EA Sports FC, fans are buzzing with excitement and questions. So what's new in FC 26? What features are returning? And is this the year EA finally gives fans the experience they've been asking for? Let's break it all down. Quick recap from FIFA to FC. As you probably know, EA parted ways with FIFA after decades of partnership. Last year's EA Sports FC 24 was the first game under the new branding, and while it was mostly familiar, it introduced fresh features like hypermotion, V-Kozama play styles, and a bigger focus on the women's game. Now with NIE FC 26, EA is looking to double down on innovation while listening to community feedback. Gameplay. Smarter, faster, more realistic. EA is reportedly fine-tuning the gameplay mechanics to make FC 26 the most fluid, responsive version yet. Here's what we can expect. Improved dribbling and ball physics. Expect tighter control and more realistic movement on and off the ball. Better AI awareness. Defenders will track runs more intelligently, and attackers will make smarter positioning choices. Goalkeeper upgrades. Fixing those weird animations and improving reactions in 1v1 situations. New skill-based animations. Thanks to updated hypermotion technology, Kadin expect cleaner tackles, flicks and volleys, especially on next-gen consoles. It's not just about graphics anymore. EA wants FC 26 to feel like real football. ES Shadlast playstyles evolved. Playstyles which were introduced in FC 24 are getting a major upgrade. This system gives players unique traits that mirror their real-life abilities. For example, Mbappe might have a playstyle that gives him explosive first steps. De Bruyne gets elite passing under pressure. Vinicius Jr. might get a flair trait that lets him pull off more advanced skill moves. In FC 26, playstyles will be even more noticeable, making every player feel unique, especially in career mode and ultimate team. Career mode. The community speaks career mode fans. This could be your year. EA has hinted at big updates including of deeper player storylines, manager reactions during press conferences, training impact on performance, expanded youth scouting systems, and yes, possibly dynamic weather that affects gameplay. There are also rumors of a Marseille club owner mode, where you manage stadium upgrades, sponsor deals, and long-term club goals. A true football simulation experience. If career mode is your thing, FC 26 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Ultimate Team. Cross-play, icons and more. Ultimate Team is EA's biggest moneymaker, and they're making some key changes in FC 26. Full cross-play support including